Welcome back to Philip on Facts. Evolution has been a topic of much philosophical debate since its inception. One of the most significant debates is over the compatibility of evolution with certain philosophical perspectives, such as naturalism, technology, externalism, and religious traditions. Evolution is a scientific concept that refers to the process of change and adaptation that living organisms undergo over time. It's a fundamental principle in biology that explains how species developed and diversify through natural selection, genetic drift, and other mechanisms. However, the implications of evolution go beyond the scientific domain, and it has profound philosophical implications that have challenged some of the most fundamental assumptions about human nature, morality, and life, and the meaning of life. One of the most significant philosophical perspectives related to evolution is naturalism, which asserts that the natural world is all there is, and that everything can be explained by natural laws and processes. According to this view, evolution is the result of blind, unpredicted natural processes, and humans are the product of a long, unguided, and purposeless evolutionary history. This perspective has profound implications for ethics, as it suggests that there's no objective moral value or duties, and that our ethics, beliefs, and practice are ultimately a result of our evolutionary history and cultural conditioning. Another philosophical perspective relates to the evolution is technology, which suggests that there is a purpose or goal inherent in the world. This perspective has been challenged by the theory of evolution, which suggests that the adaptation traits that we observe in living organisms are not the result of some pre-existing plan or purpose, but rather a result of natural selection acting on random genetic mutations. However, some philosophers have suggested that there may be a teleological dimension to evolution, as natural selection seems to favor certain traits that increases an organism's chance of surviving and reproduction. Existentialist philosophers have also grappled with the implications of evolutions for human existence. The existentialist view holds that human beings are free to make their own meaning and create their own value in a world that has no inherent meaning or purpose. From this perspective, evolution poses a challenge to human freedom and agency, as it suggests that we are products of our evolutionary history, and that many of our behaviors and tendencies are determined by our genetic makeup. Finally, the concept of evolution has challenged some traditional religious views about the nature of life and humanity's place in the universe. Many religious traditions have posted that humans occupy a unique privileged position in the cosmos, and that they were created by a divine being. Evolution, on the other hand, suggests that human beings are a part of a larger interconnected web of life, and that we share a common ancestry with all living things. This had led to the tension between scientific and religious views, as some religious traditions have been resistant to accepting the scientific evidence for evolution. In conclusion, the concept of evolution has profound implications for philosophy, challenging some of the most fundamental assumptions about human nature, morality, and the meaning of life. From naturalism to technology, existentialism to religion, religious traditions, The implications of evolutions have been hotly debated and continue to shape our understanding of ourselves and the nature and the natural world around us. I hope I don't fast forward to that too much. But if you guys, this is a little quick episode. It's been a wild week, but it's been a good week. Just a little tired this today. But yeah, you guys have a great day. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.